Hi guys, it's March and today I'm going to show you how to put together the square diamond block. So this is super simple. You're going to need 4 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares and you're going to need a 6.5 inch square. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is you are going to turn around each of these littler blocks and you are going to go ahead and draw with a pencil a diagonal across them. Okay, so once I have drawn a pencil line along each of those diagonals, I am going to take my 6.5 inch square and I'm going to lay this in the corner of that square, that 3.5 inch little piece. But you'll notice my diagonal is going across this way. Don't have it go from the corner that way. We're going to sew right on that pencil line, okay? So I'm going to get that as straight as I possibly can. And I'm going to get on that pencil line and we're going to sew all the way across. Okay, so what you're going to have is you're going to have a lot of excess over here. So we're going to trim that off. And what I'd like to see you do, so like look, if I pull that out, look how cute that is. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to get my mat out, I'm going to trim it all the way across, and I'm going to show you how it looks when I'm done trimming it. Okay, so what I've done is I've trimmed off 1/4 seam right from the edge, and then you're going to go ahead and iron that back. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm going to go ahead and sew the next one on. But I do recommend, I'm just finger pressing it, ironing it in place because then it makes it really easy. Okay, so once I've gotten that laid into place, I'm just going to sew it right along that diagonal line again. Okay, so now I'm going to trim it, but you can see without it being trimmed, it should overlap about 1/4 inch right here at the top because that's going to get trimmed down when it gets sewn to other borders or blocks. So I'm just going to finish this out. I'm going to keep working my way around. I'm going to trim this off and then I'm going to add the next one, just show you, to this side. I like to work my way all the way around and then finish the last one off. Okay, so I'm going to put the last one on. You can see the back of this. All the seams are folded in. That's the way I like it. I don't think there's like a preference on that. And I've just worked my way around. So the last one to lay on is this 3.5 inch square. And you can see it should overlap white on both sides. So I'm just going to sew that down. Make sure my seams in the back are in the right place. Okay, so I haven't trimmed it or cut it off yet, but trimmed it or ironed it, that's what I meant. But you can see what it looks like. So the block would actually lay this way, so you get this square diamond inside. But look how beautiful that was, and it was really actually very easy. It does use a bit more fabric than the other ones because you are trimming away so much, but this is such a beautiful block and pretty easy to make. All right, make sure and comment below. I hope you have a chance to make this, and I'll see you next month.